Hi folks, Governor Tony Evers here. You know, since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, I promised you three things. The first, that I would never play politics with your health. The second, that I would trust and follow science and public health experts to guide our decision-making. And finally, that I would never stop doing everything in my power to keep Wisconsinites healthy and safe. Well, every step of the way, our statewide strategies to contain this virus and prevent the spread have been met with lawsuits, political rhetoric, and obstruction. Unfortunately, that happened again today when Republicans in the legislature came in to vote down our state's public health emergency and end requiring face coverings in public places. And in doing so, they also put at risk nearly $50 million a month in federal funds that will go towards helping hundreds of thousands of our most vulnerable Wisconsinites have access to food assistance during this pandemic. Folks, that is wrong. Here's the truth. We know that wearing face coverings can save lives and prevent death. We know it's supported by science and the CDC. And we know it's supported by more than 40 statewide organizations and the 72% of Wisconsinites who agree face coverings should be worn in public places. And most importantly, we know that as we work to get shots in the arm as quickly as we have vaccines available, no amount of vaccine in the world could bring back the lives we stand to lose if we have no statewide mitigation strategy in place to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Wisconsin. So here's the bottom line. I haven't broken those promises I made to you during this pandemic, and I won't start today. That's why today we will be issuing a new public health emergency and order requiring face coverings in public places. Our fight against this virus isn't over. It's not going away, especially as we see mutations of this virus in our state and others. Wearing a mask is the most basic thing we can do to keep each other safe. If the legislature keeps playing politics and we don't keep wearing masks, we're going to see more preventable deaths, and it's going to take even longer to get our state and our economy back on track. We're going to keep putting people first. We're going to keep listening to the science. And we're going to keep working to save lives so that we can get through this pandemic together. Thank you.